Hello children, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. So children, let us start our new lesson, that is lesson number 7, creepy crawlers insect. Repeat after me, creepy crawlers insect. So this lesson is all about insects, the structure of insect, the lifestyle, what do they eat, how do they move, everything, but only about insects. So I hope last lesson which I have given you the notes which we have done, I hope you people have written that in your classwork as well as textbook, and your last lesson is up to the mark. It is completed, right? Now let us start with a new lesson, because yes, we should not waste our time, and you will have your essay too also, and we'll pass you to the date. So for that we need to complete the lesson as soon as possible. Okay children, so everyone take out your page number 97, science. So yeah, today we are going to deal with science page number 97, lesson number 7, creepy crawlers insect for class 3. So yeah, insects form the largest animal group. More than 1 million type species of insects are found throughout the world. Many more species of insects are yet to be discovered. They are also called as creepy crawlers because these tiny creatures creep and crawl. So yes, insects वो बहुत सारे हैं हमारी दुनिया में, almost like a large group of animals हैं यहाँ पे insects के. So there are million types of insects. अलग अलग टाइप के species है. million मतलब एक insect के million टाइप के लोग तो है, million टाइप के जैसे insect तो है, but million टाइप के अलग अलग टाइप के insects है, millions of. So you can just imagine कि कितने insects है इस दुनिया में. So अभी और insects might be, it can come, but that new insects are also called as creep and crawl because these tiny creatures, they creep and crawl. Creep in the sense slow चलना, crawl in the sense jumping करके एक जगह से दूसरी जगह से तीसरी जगह ऐसे. So structure of the body, let us see how the insects look. You can see few insects pictures over here. These are what? These are the insects pictures. So let us see the structure of the body. The body of an adult insect is made up of tiny 3 parts or sections called as head, thorax and abdomen. So insect का जो structure है, suppose for example this is what, it's just an example, this is an insect. So insect structure is of 3 types. First one is the head, thorax, abdomen. It has 3 parts. So the head bears 1 pair of feelers and antennae, 1 pair of compound eyes and a number of mouth parts. Insect use feelers to find out about their surrounding. So head contains what? Suppose ये head है उनका, तो इनका जो head है एक एंटीना, वो लोग एंटीना का रहता है उनके पास eyes रहते हैं and mouth to eat food. Okay, so जो head है एंटीना है, usually एंटीना head के ऊपर रहता है. If you have seen insects, you can see they have antenna, eyes and then mouth. Thorax, the thorax bears 3 pairs of legs and 2 pairs of wings. Most insects can fly, bird also fly. The difference between insects and birds is that insects do not have backbone. Animals with 4 pairs of legs like spider are not insects, they are arachnids. Okay, yeah, arachnids. So yes, now head का मतलब क्या है? Eyes, mouth and antenna. Thorax means insects hand and legs. तो उनका hand और जो legs है, if any insect is having wings also, okay, so that is called as what? Thorax. Head में जो antenna, eyes और mouth होता है उसे head कहते हैं. Thorax में a pair of legs, a pair of hands along with the wings, that are called as what? Thorax. Turn your page. Abdomen. So the abdomen is without legs. It is divided into small sections or segment. So yes, this is the lower area is called as what? Abdomen. So this abdomen, this lower area, this is called as what? Abdomen. Here this side you have some, उनका जो lower area है उसे abdomen कहते हैं. So it divides a small sections. It has small tiny sections. So insect body may be divided into 2 looks alike parts. You can see this for yourself, and if you complete this picture, draw equal parts below the middle line. So the body of the insect is covered with a hard covering called chitin, and insect change their skin cuticle periodically. This process is called molting. So you can see over here, this is the body of the insect. It has head, eye, thorax, feeler, abdomen, legs. So what happens, insect की जो body रहती है, it is covered with a chitin. Okay, a hard covering layer. It is called as what? Chitin. And insect change its color, which periodically, which is known as what? Molting. Next is what? Life cycle of an insect. Most insect lay eggs. Before assuming the adult form, insect passes through different stages. Egg develops into a young insect or known as larva. Larva is quite different from the adult. Larva changes into sleeping stage pupa. Shape and form of a pupa change and it becomes an adult insect with wings. It rests for a while to let its wings dry and then flies away. All the four forms are called as what? Life cycle. And the process changing of larva into adult insect is called metamorphosis. So yes, I'll explain you in my terms like what is the life cycle of the insect. So पहला जो insect होता है, मतलब insect की जो mother होती है वो अंडे देती है. Okay, she lays what? She lays eggs. After eggs, it changes into कीड़ा, which is called as what? Larva. It changes into what? Larva. Then after changing into larva, वो सोने के लिए, okay, सोने के लिए अपने आप को एक पत्ते के अंदर बंद कर लेता है. Okay, which is called as what? Cocoon or pupa. In order to take rest for few months or few time or few days. So it converts this larva takes rest into cocoon or pupa. वो इसके अंदर जाके सो जाता है. So जैसा उसको लगता है कि हाँ अब मैं properly prepared हूँ, then an insect comes from this cocoon, which is called as what? Butterfly हो या cockroach हो या कोई भी insect हो. Okay, then cocoon से वो बाहर निकलता है. This is the life cycle of the insect. पहला अंडे को देती है उसकी मदर, अंडे से फिर वो लार्वा बनता है, कीड़ा बनता है, उसके बाद वो cocoon के अंदर अपने आप को रेस्ट करता है, and then afterwards there is a butterfly. So all the insects process is same. It is not like कि butterfly की picture यहाँ पे तो butterfly का भी ऐसे ही होगा. No, all insects process is same. And this life cycle of the insect is called as what? Metamorphosis. What does it call? Metamorphosis. How do insects breathe? An insect takes in air through the tiny hose present in the body. From the hose, the air goes into the fine tubes. The air reaches every part of an insect's body through these tubes. So yes, an insect की जो body है, उसकी body में, okay, इसकी body में tiny holes रहते हैं. And with the help of these tiny holes, they breathe. And the air reaches to every part of the body through this tiny holes. Next is what? Social insect. Honeybees live in a group in their colonies. They work together and help each other. Therefore, they are called as social insects. Similarly, wasps and ants are also social insects. So, social insects क्या होते हैं? एक होते हैं इंसेक्ट जो सिर्फ अपनी फैमिली की केयर करते हैं, एक होते हैं इंसेक्ट्स जो बल्क में रहते हैं, एक साथ झुंड में रहते हैं. तो जो इंसेक्ट्स झुंड में रहते हैं उन्हें सोशल इंसेक्ट्स कहते हैं. व्हाट डज वी कॉल देम एज अ सोशल इंसेक्ट. एग्जांपल लाइक हनी बी. सो मेनी हनी बीज आर देयर, स्टिक टू वन प्लेस. एंट्स, व्हेनेवर एंट्स और स्मॉल कीड़ियां होते हैं या चुमटियां होते हैं, वो जब भी दिखते हैं तो एक साथ कितने की सारे बहुत सारे रहते हैं, राइट? So the bulk of insects, when they come together, they are called as what? Social insects. So usually example two of them given, that is honeybee and hairs. And few more examples which you can give. Cockroaches. Cockroaches रात में आते हैं तो bulk में कितने सारे cockroaches आते हैं, but still they are not, I don't think so they are called as what? Social insects. But काले करके की कीड़ियाँ, मकोड़े, ये सब जब आते, जब एक जगह आपको दिखते हैं तो आपको दिखती है उसके पीछे कितनी सारी लाइन रहती है, वही सेम कीड़ों की, राइट? सो दैट आर कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? सोशल इंसेक्ट्स. यूजफुल इंसेक्ट्स. इंसेक्ट्स लाइक ants and beetles keep the ground clean by eating up dead animals and rotten plants. Bees, butterfly and some other insects carry pollen stuck of their bodies from one flower to another flower. The female flower gets male pollen. In this way it changes its fruits. So yes, few insects are very useful to us. Useful in the sense, अगर हमारे घर में insects हो तो usually it is not clean, but अगर ग्राउंड एरिया है और ग्राउंड एरिया में अगर कोई इंसेक्ट आता है तो वो ग्राउंड को साफ कर देते हैं, क्योंकि नेचुरली इफ एनी इंसेक्ट डाई और इफ एनी बी डाई, तो ये इंसेक्ट्स क्या करते हैं, ये उन्हें खा जाते हैं. सो इससे क्या होता है, जो डेड एनिमल्स या डेड प्लांट्स है वो लोग डिसअपियर हो सकते हैं. And these butterflies and some other insects carry pollen stuck to their bodies from one flower to another flower. So butterfly and bees, what do? They stuck or they eat food from the flowers. So what happens? They carry the pollen stuck. Pollen stuck मतलब कोई flower में कीड़े रहते हैं, right? हम सब्जियां लेके आते हैं, सब्जियां में भी कीड़े रहते हैं. तो ये bees और butterflies, what do they do? कोई भी फ्लावर के ऊपर अगर कोई भी कीड़ा अटके सो या कुछ भी ऐसा कोई एनिमल है जो फ्लावर को डिस्ट्रॉय कर सकता है, दे स्टक इट एंड दे ईट दैट एंड दे कैरी ऑन. सो द फीमेल फ्लावर गेट्स मेल पोलन इन दिस वे एंड चेंजेस इनटू fruit. So if anyhow apart from this pollen is that ki what happens whenever the butterfly sits on the flower, तो वो एक फ्लावर से बैठ के दूसरे फ्लावर में जाते हैं. तो जो एक फ्लावर के न्यूट्रिएंट्स है दे पास इट ऑन टू द अनदर फ्लावर. दिस इज हाउ द फ्लावर ग्रोज बिकॉज insects helps the pollen to pass from one to another, and this is how they get the food because of the insects who flowers. Okay, this is how useful insects are. There harmful insects, some insects like locust and grasshopper destroy crops by eating them. They are called pests. Cockroach eat paper, cloth and other food materials. They carry dirt and germs. So some insects are very harmful like locust and grasshopper. They destroy the crops by eating them, and they are called as what? Pests. And cockroaches eat paper, cloth. हमारे कबर्ड के अंदर कॉकरोच होते हैं या किचन में कॉकरोच है. So what do they eat? They eat all these things, and it not only that cockroaches नालियों के अंदर से निकलते हैं, right? From the wash basin also, from that also you can get cockroaches, or from the utensil sink also, from there also it go down, it eats whatever he wants, and again it comes and then sits on wherever he wants. So it passes what? It passes dirt and dust. So it is not hygienic and carry dirt as well as germs also. Germs, and if you eat something where the cockroach was there, and if you eat something you can get diseases. Silverfish eats up paper and clothes. Moth makes hole in the clothes. The termite eats roots of the plants. They feed on the wood. So yes, cockroach, silverfish and termite, these three are very very very, it looks small but it are very dangerous because these three destroys our house. Termite जिसको दीमक कहते हैं, पूरा दीमक लगता है. silverfish वो पूरा roots of the make holes in the cloth. cloth के अंदर white कलर के छोटे छोटे कीड़े रहते हैं ना, वो पूरे क्लॉथ में होते हैं. एंड देन कॉकरोच, as you all know, it is very dangerous क्योंकि वो हर जगह जाके फिर हमारे खाने के ऊपर भी आता है. So that's why it is compulsory to cover our food. Mosquitoes, head lice and bed bugs suck our blood and cause itching. Some mosquitoes carry malaria. So mosquito, few insects are like sucking blood insects. तो mosquito मच्छर जब हमें काटता तो वो हमारा blood suck करके जाते हैं. जुआ, which is called as what? Lice. तो उससे हमें खुजली भी होती है और वो भी हमारे ब्लड को सक करते हैं. एंड बेड बग्स. सो सम मस्कीटोज दे कैरी मलेरिया ऑल्सो फ्रॉम वन पर्सन टू अनदर पर्सन. हाउस फ्लाई कैरीज मेनी जर्म्स विच कॉज कॉलेरा, डायरिया एक्सेट्रा. एंड मक्खी जैसे हाउस फ्लाई कहते हैं. सो दिस हाउस फ्लाई इज ऑल्सो वेरी डेंजरस. इट कैन कॉज मलेरिया एंड कॉलेरा और डायरिया एंड मेनी अदर थिंग्स. हाउ? क्योंकि हाउस फ्लाई जो होते हैं उनकी एक परमानेंट प्लेस नहीं है कि वो लोग वहीं पर ही बैठे रहते हैं. पहला वो डस्ट में बैठते हैं, गंदगी में बैठते हैं, कचरे के डब्बे पे वो बैठते हैं, हाँ, या कोई एनी डर्टी मटेरियल जो हम लोग बाहर फेंकते हैं उसके ऊपर भी बैठते हैं. उसके ऊपर बैठने के बाद वो हमारे खाने के ऊपर भी बैठते हैं, हमारे ऊपर भी बैठते हैं. तो क्या होता है, जो उनके बॉडी के ऊपर जो डस्ट और जर्म्स होते हैं वो हमारी बॉडी के पास होते हैं. एंड बाय मिस्टेक हम अगर मक्खी यहाँ पे बैठी, हम गलती से बोल के और यहाँ का हाथ हम सीधा बिना हैंड वॉश करे हम खाने लग गए, तो वही डर्ट एंड जर्म्स हमारे माउथ के अंदर जाते हैं. So because of that, what happens? You'll get diseases, and then afterwards you need to rush to doctor. So that's why, first of all, while eating, do not touch anything, and before eating, wash your hands. Okay, children. So yes, this was the story of insects, how it looks, and few insects are good for us, and few insects are very bad for us. Okay, children. So with this, we have completed our lesson number 7. I'll pass you the notes which you need to copy in textbook as well as classwork, and we'll meet soon with a new lesson. Till then, children, goodbye and take care.